Hello, everyone. So for the last couple of days or even weeks, MCP, Model Context Protocol servers, vibe coding, and so on have become extremely hot topics. So I've been working on MCP for the last couple of weeks, and I implemented a few kubernetes-mcp servers and podman-mcp-server, and I've been working with this technology like a lot. So I thought, hey, why not vibe code a very simple game and deploy it to my OpenShift Kubernetes cluster using the tools I've been working on. So here I have an empty project open in my VSCode Insiders IDE, which has GitHub Copilot in agent mode enabled. So it's still experimental, not working great, but at least it works. And it's using the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. I've also preloaded my MCP servers, so the one for Podman and the one for Kubernetes, and I'm going to tell it to implement a very simple game. So I have some pre-typed prompts here, so I don't need to type them each time. Basically, I'm asking it to generate a very simple JavaScript web-based game with a very simple instructions. So let's see if it's able to implement this game. Okay, so it finished the implementation. It apparently created two files, an index HTML file and again a JavaScript file with probably the game logic in it. So in order to see if this is actually something that we can play, I'm going to ask it to serve it in a local HTTP server. Okay, so it's decided to start a Python HTTP server. Okay, it started in port 8000, so the game should be available in this URL. So let's open it and see what happens. Okay, so we have, okay, it seems to be some sort of game, most playable. So yeah, I mean, it's not great. You could obviously improve this with a better prompt, but that's not the purpose of today's demo. So yeah, the next step is for me to share this game with my friends so they can actually play it too. So for that purpose, one of the options is to deploy this to Kubernetes. Kubernetes is usually something that you require infrastructure and so on. So I'm going to use Red Hat Developer Free Sandbox. So it's the easiest and probably cheapest way to get started with Kubernetes, because you can start Sandbox for free, which is this the demo cluster. It's kind of limited, but still it serves the purpose. So right now it's empty. And in order to be able to deploy something to Kubernetes, you need to containerize it first. So for this purpose, I'm going to use Podman. So here I have my Podman desktop showing the current containers. So there are no running containers at the moment. And then I also need this registry or shared registry where the container images can be downloaded from. So I'm going to use Quay, again, another free service. So right now it's empty. And yeah, to be able to do this, I'm going to use my MCP servers, the Podman MCP servers, and the Kubernetes MCP server I've been working for the last few days. So here I have the pre-recorded prompt. So I want to deploy this to my OpenShift cluster, build a Podman container image, and tag it with the name. This is important because obviously you cannot push an image anywhere you want. Then once I confirm this is working in a local container, push the image to the image registry and deploy it to the OpenShift Kubernetes cluster. So let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see what it did. It created a Docker file to containerize the application. Makes sense. It then ran the image build function provided by the Podman MCP server. It built the image and then it's running it in a local container. So now if we go to this URL, just like before, we should be able to open the game. So yeah, we have the game running again. Yeah, not a great game, but it's running. In this case, it's running from a Podman container. So if we check the Podman desktop interface, we see that there's actually a Podman container that started 46 seconds ago. And if we check the images, we see that yeah, an image was built 55 seconds ago with the game. Okay, so yeah, the query registry should still be empty, and the cluster still hasn't anything. So now I can confirm that everything is working unexpected, so it can continue with the process of pushing the image and running it in my OpenShift cluster. It's running fine, stop the container, push the image to query, and run a pod with the image on my Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so apparently the process completed successfully. There should be a pod running the image container, and we should have pushed the image to query. So well, we already see that the OpenShift topology shows that there's this game running, but let's see the query repository to see if the image was pushed. And yeah, the image was pushed just a minute ago, and the game has been deployed. Now let's see if it's actually running. Okay, so yeah, we're actually able to access the game and play it from the internet. So great success. It's obviously a very crappy game, so yeah, I mean, this is up to you to improve its implementation by using these vibe coding techniques. So use better prompts and however, but what's important here is that your pipeline is now complete because you can deploy this game to the internet using simple MCP server tools. I hope you liked the demo. Thanks for watching.